Sparrows by K.A. Abbas, that is Khwaja Ahmad Abbas. Khwaja Ahmad Abbas is a famous Hindi film director, screenwriter, novelist, and also an Urdu journalist. He has won 4 national film awards in India. And also, he is the famous screenwriter of the Raj Kapoor's movies, very famous movies like Awara, Shri 420 and Jaagte Raho, etc. So he is a celebrated film director and screenwriter and also a novelist. This story, Sparrows, it talks about several aspects. It talks about society. Society classifies its members so easily and so very conveniently into the good and the bad. And then the good take upon themselves the responsibility to sit in the judgment over the bad and punish them. This punishment can take the form of social ostracism. Let me catch you playing with that man's son. 2. Imprisonment. Such people are a menace to society. So, this is very common practice in our society, sadly, that we have very broad categories in our society like the good and the bad. तो हमारी नज़र में लोग या तो good हैं, अच्छे हैं या बुरे हैं. एंड उसी के अकॉर्डिंगली हम अपनी एक जिम्मेदारी, एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी समझ लेते हैं एंड वी सिट ऑन अ जजमेंट सीट saying this is good and this is bad, and the bad ones are ostracized by us, means we do not like to mix with them and we make them an outcast. उनको हम बिल्कुल cut off कर देते हैं अपने आप से, and we want to teach them a lesson, and we say that such people are menace to the society. Menace means they are a blot on the society. They are not good for the society. Very seldom does a judge try to probe into the background of a criminal and try to find out what made him commit the crime. It is very easy to judge someone and label them as a criminal, but seldom means hardly do we think ever that why this man would have committed this crime. What could be the circumstances? हम कभी नहीं सोचते कि उस इंसान के हालात क्या थे. क्या सच में वो ये क्राइम करना चाहता था या फिर हालात ने, circumstances ने, situation ही ऐसी थी. Such a probe very often reveals the fact that it was the social conditions as much as other factors that were responsible for his turning a criminal. So most of the time the social conditions and the circumstances are such that they turn a person into a criminal. Now this story, Sparrows, focuses on what happens to a man whose ambitions have been thwarted by the dictates of religion, the demands of tradition and the plain disregards to his feelings. कैसा लगेगा एक इंसान को, कैसा होगा वो इंसान, एक यंग पर्सन जिसकी एम्बिशंस, जिसके रिलीजियस सेंटिमेंट्स या फिर जिसकी लाइफ के डिसीजंस जो हैं उनको बिल्कुल डिसरिगार्ड कर दिया इस सोसाइटी ने, उनकी जैसे कोई अहमियत ही ना हो. कैन ही बी ब्लेम्ड इफ़ ही हार्डन्स इनटू अ बीस्ट? तो ऐसा इंसान जिसके इमोशंस की, उसकी चाहत की कोई भी परवाह नहीं की गई, क्या ऐसा इंसान अगर एक बीस्ट, एक क्रिमिनल बन जाता है, क्या उसको हम ब्लेम कर सकते हैं दैट ही इज़ द वन हु इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर व्हाट ही हैज़ बिकम? So these are all the questions that are raised in this story. Now let us start reading them.